Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to share my collection of non-leather traveler's notebooks. Now there was a time when I would not even consider a non-leather traveler's notebook. But as time went on, we've gotten more choices, more options as far as the materials that traveler's notebooks are now being made with. They've come a long way. They've really impressed me, and I've actually purchased a few of them. And so I wanted to share my collection of non-leather traveler's notebooks with you in case you are looking to, buy one, because I know a lot of people don't want a leather notebook for whatever reason. They can be a lot more expensive. And so I'm going to show you what I have. And if you guys have some non-leather TNs that you'd like to share, go ahead and throw those down in the comments below, because I'm always looking. Now I'm always looking to see what other options there are that I may want to buy, because like I said, the quality has improved so much that I am ready to try something new. But anyways, let's go ahead and get right into it. Now this first traveler's notebook I have, this one is from Paperhouse. And it actually came in a kit, and I did an unboxing on this not too long ago. Now this one I actually have not used because, in all honesty, I don't think the quality of this one is very good. As you can see, it's very, very stiff. It doesn't stay open, when you lay it down. And then when you look at it from this side, you can see it's starting to wrinkle here, and it's just not a very well made notebook, which is unfortunate because this purple glitter is absolutely gorgeous. But this TN, I don't even think I ever will use it, just because, like I said, the quality is so below my standard of what I would consider even useful. I just wouldn't. So anyway, but this is in my collection for right now. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But anyways, this is my very first, or I shouldn't say my very first. This is one of my non-leather traveler's notebooks. The next ones you guys have seen before. They are my clear holographic traveler's notebooks. Now I have done a few videos on these, I think. I did an unboxing for both of them. I picked these up on Amazon. Oh, this one I bought in a kit from Hobby Lobby, in case anyone was interested. But anyways, these two I bought on Amazon. They were not that expensive. I want to say they were less than $10 each. And I have done setups on both of these, and I will remember, if I can remember, I will link those down below. I really love them. The quality on these is great. It is like a flexible plastic, and it works really well for an everyday carry, which I may decide to use this for that at some point. But I really like it. I highly recommend it for the price, and I'm not disappointed with either one. So these are my clear, iridescent, holographic, non-leather traveler's notebooks. Now the other one, which you guys have seen recently also, is my Salty Katie Jelly traveler's notebook. Again, this one is so pretty. I love the color. I love the material. I did a full review on this, so I won't go into that there. But I just wanted to show you guys this. And if I can remember, I will put a card somewhere here in the video in case you are interested in hearing my thoughts about this. I do love it, but it does have some limitations. But it is part of my collection of my non-leather traveler's notebooks. And finally, I have a canvas traveler's notebook. And I can't remember if she actually calls this a traveler's notebook. I think she calls it a creative diary or something. Anyways, this is from Dilutions. It is a beautiful and fun and really vibrantly decorated, I guess, travel journal. From the Dilutions line, I put a little jelly dashboard in here, which is a lot of fun. But I really like this because it's very durable, but because of the way it is, you're not afraid to get it messy, you know, like if you do use this for an art journal. It holds a lot of inserts. I have 5 inserts in here right now, but I probably could very easily put more, at least 1 or 2 more if I really wanted to. And it feels really nice. It's a stiff canvas, but it's not a rough canvas, if that makes any sense. So yeah, that is my last traveler's notebook that is not leather in my collection. So this is all I've got here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. Again, if you are looking for some non-leather options for yourself or maybe for a gift, if you have any questions, again, feel free to put those down below. I'm trying to get all of these in here. And again, the cost difference between these and a leather TN is quite significant. So like I said, it's definitely worth considering if you can find something made with a material you really, really like and it suits your preferences and your needs. Okay, everyone, that is it for this video. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come, and I can't think of anything else. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll definitely see you all in the next video. Bye.